So today we're in Tuscan Farmhouse where we're having pasta and prosciutto with truffle sauce. Honey. Truffle honey. That was very delicious. And we're in here. They have the vineyards, olive oil. They make extra virgin olive oil. They grow all their own vegetables and make their own wine.
They grow poplar trees, which make furniture and paper. They grow the trees to 10 years old and harvest after 10 years. So here on the farm of 250 acres, there are several fields with different poplar trees of different ages as they harvest once a year, but yet it takes 10 years to harvest. So the farm is beautiful. It is old and family owned and run for a very, very long time. I think they said this granddaughter was 4th generation. We had a beautiful carriage ride here into the property and the main farmhouse. Everything is very authentic. Delicious limoncello, and they had a chocolate liqueur that was delicious. Tasted like cold hot chocolate. It was really good. Can I try the chocolate, please?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good. Thank you.
You too?
Yes, please.
Oh my God. This tastes like
You try the chocolate.
Chocolate.
cold chocolate milk with a kick. Very good.
Well, they brought us in on a horse, actually a 2-horse and wagon, horse and carriage through the property.
And vegan.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Okay.
Grazie mille. Buongiorno.
Sat us down and we all enjoyed a lunch, and we got to hear some
Oh, yeah.
fabulous
Opera.
singing from the owner himself, David.
He sang O Sole Mio. So, very famous old Italian opera song, O Sole Mio. He did a wonderful job. Yeah, beautiful family. Everybody is so friendly.
Chef is for real. I'm jealous, I'm dancing.
They know mostly Italian, but they speak English as well, and they interpret for you. So that's very helpful. These little biscuits, what were they called?
I don't know, but those were delicious.
Yeah, and paired with the dessert wine, oh my gosh. You just mix it in your mouth and it just delicious.
Brigidini, the name is Brigidini.
Brigidini.
North of Milan.
Yes.
This is an Italian biscuit.
And up to Zurich. And then, so we want to snoop around there because they all incredible.
Yeah, vanilla and lemon. I think this is vanilla.
Home for a few days and then take. But I always wanted to go to Zurich.
Delicious.
So now it's excited. So.
Very good.
And then Lisbon after that. So then.
Boy, you've got quite a
No, we'll be
Sweet.
6 weeks by the time we get there.
Citrus.
oh my goodness.
Yeah. But
It's got a little crunch at first, and then it kind of melts in your
you
mouth.
know, you go to other places,
Very good.
and Europe is always like
The way of life here and everything.
service.
That was the meal.
In other countries, and home is in Colorado.
And then there was some prosciutto and olives with real olive oil.
Yeah, and
That was
Colorado is
delicious.
beautiful too.
Very good.
I don't know.
I like the truffle honey. It has different kind of flavor. It kind of changes flavor in your mouth as you swirl it around. It's very good. It was on top of Parmesan cheese, and it was very smelly. The cheese, very good. Bread. The bread was good. Very dense bread. It's not soft and fluffy, but it's a very dense, kind of a hard bread. The pasta. There were two types of pasta. My favorite was the pasta ragu. Okay, that just means that the pasta sauce has meat in it, and it was cooked perfectly and not too mushy. It was al dente. It was delicious. And then there was pasta with red sauce, and it was a light red sauce, not too heavy, not too rich, just delicious.
I'm more of a mountain than a beach lover, you know. We've been
Grazie.
because their daughter lives in Denver, so we've been there different times of the year. And
Oh, that's very good.
to me, it's always
Yes, I bet you this is very good with the
I like it.
brigadini.
Sure.
More?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Awesome.
It'll be good with that.
We're getting into the balsamic place.
Yeah.
And that's quite a deal. And that's in Monterey.
These two together, delicious.
This particular one. I mean, everybody, like here, everybody makes wine.
Real limoncello.
Yeah, my friend made this.
I bet you do a lot of that, huh? You trade things. Maybe you give him olive oil.
Oh, yeah.
Limoncello. Yeah, that's nice.
Wine,
Pasta. Delicious. And you grow it
we
in
made pasta. We sell the flour and the guy made pasta for us.
So where do you go around?
Machine.
Olives, olive trees. They grow olive trees here, and some of them are very old, and they harvest the olives. Right now is harvest season, where they hand pick and then first squeeze, which makes extra virgin olive oil. And they say that grown in Tuscan soil, it's very different than American-made olive oil. So it was delicious. We had a wonderful time here. What a great experience. Definitely recommend it if you come to Italy. We, the port of Livorno, took a bus ride to this beautiful villa here in Tuscany, and you can tell by looking at the place, it's very old and very well made. Bricks and stones, and the flowers, the roses. Oh, you just smell the rose, and it smells like roses. You know, sometimes they grow roses so quickly they lose their scent, and these roses here just smell wonderful. So definitely recommended. Come to Italy, farmhouse in Tuscany. Very hospitable, wonderful people here.